Hey everybody, it's Zarah. So if you're new to me, I'm with Watercolor Wizardry and we're building watercolorwizardry.com together over there. So we're starting a focus on hyper-realistic watercolor. So I'm doing lessons through from beginning to intermediate to advanced to solo projects. That's the goal is for you to do your solo projects. But learn the techniques first, of course, so that it's easier. So yeah, we're in beta, which means that we're in building mode. So you get to join. It's open. Come on in and hang out. I'm in there live every day in the morning because I'm building everything. So I just show up live as I'm doing that. And today I tested my new schedule. The live streams will stay the same, but I did change my own personal schedule because it just wasn't working. I was so excited. Like after the live stream this morning, I was so excited about, continuing on and doing the podcast, like what I'm doing right now. This podcast and doing the emails and the blog and the posting and all that. I was excited, but I stopped myself and I was responsible and I did what I needed to do. And now I am so tired that I just don't feel like I'm giving my all. So I'm rearranging my schedule. Now I'm going to do lives, in the community, and then I'm going to do the podcast. And maybe someday I will do the podcast while I'm live in the community. That's always fun too. So I'm rearranging things. I'm doing all the fun stuff in the beginning, and then I'll do the responsible things after. That sounds like a good plan. I like that plan. So I'm going to do that. So I rearranged and that'll be great. Now tomorrow is Wednesday, which means I'll be live for the public and I'll be on YouTube from 3:30 to 4:30 p.m. Pacific time at Watercolor Wizardry. So that'll be great. I'll also show up in Facebook on the Facebook page and LinkedIn and Twitch and Kick everywhere. So that'll be great and that'll be fun. And on an encouraging note, don't worry if life is constant chaos. My life has been in constant reorg, chaos, start over for a long time. And it feels like Groundhog Day. Seriously. Every day, I feel like I'm starting over. Kinda, not really, but kinda. I feel like I'm still at the same spot, which is frustrating. But it's not really true. I've learned a lot. And I don't know, I think I'm doing pretty good right now. So even though I still feel like I'm at the very, very beginning, which I am because I scrapped everything and started over. But it's all good. I move faster, I believe, anyway. So I'm not worried about anything. Because if I beat myself up, I'm just going to stay down and sad and not do anything, right? So you have to keep going and you have to keep encouraging yourself and you have to be your best cheerleader. You have to keep going. So anyway, tomorrow will be 2 lives, which is great. So I'll be in the Academy in the morning at 8:30 Pacific, and then 3:30 p.m. Pacific will be live to the world. So come hang out or lurk while you fold laundry. It doesn't matter. So I'll be there chatting and painting and just hanging out. So cool. So sign up for our upcoming workshops and you'll get my daily emails and ramblings and podcasts and all the things, anything I'm doing. You'll find out more about that. And that's it. I'm aiming for daily, but of course life happens. So, I got to go fishing sometimes because, everybody needs a break. So it'll be fun. Cool. I will let you go. I will see you tomorrow twice. If you remember, twice. Okay. Bye.